How to reduce your electricity bill with smart devices. Are you tired of seeing your electricity bill skyrocket each month? It's a problem many of us face, but what if there was a way to cut down on those costs without sacrificing comfort or convenience? The good news is, with the rise of smart devices, reducing your electricity bill is easier than ever before. Let's face it, our homes are full of energy-hungry appliances, from air conditioners to refrigerators, and even lights that stay on longer than they should. But with a few smart upgrades, you can take control of your energy consumption and save money in the process. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can use smart devices to make your home more energy efficient and cut down on your electricity bill. Step 1. Upgrade to smart thermostats. One of the biggest culprits behind high electricity bills is the heating and cooling system in your home. Running the air conditioner or heater at full blast for hours on end can burn through your energy. But with a smart thermostat, you have the power to control your home's temperature from anywhere. These devices learn your schedule, adjusting the temperature when you're home and when you're away, ensuring that you're not wasting energy. Some models even allow you to set schedules, so your HVAC system works only when needed, cutting out unnecessary energy usage. The best part? Many smart thermostats are compatible with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant, so you can make adjustments without even lifting a finger. Imagine coming home to a perfectly cool house after a hot day, all while saving money. Step 2. Switch to smart bulbs. Let's talk about lighting, one of the most common sources of energy waste in any home. Traditional light bulbs are energy inefficient, and leaving them on when you're not in the room can quickly add up. But with smart bulbs, you get a whole new level of control. Smart bulbs allow you to set timers, adjust brightness levels, and even change the color of the light. You can schedule them to turn off when you leave for work or dim when it's time for bed. Many models also offer motion sensors, automatically turning off the lights when no one is in the room. Not only does this save energy, but it also enhances your home security by making it look like someone's always home. By replacing just a few of your traditional light bulbs with smart ones, you'll see a noticeable decrease in your monthly energy bill. Step 3. Use smart plugs. You might not realize it, but some of your appliances are still using electricity even when turned off. This is known as phantom energy. TVs, microwaves, and coffee makers are prime examples of appliances that continue to draw power when they are not in use. Smart plugs are a simple and effective solution. By plugging your devices into a smart plug, you can control when they're powered on or off using an app or voice commands. This helps eliminate unnecessary energy consumption, ensuring you're not paying for power that's being wasted. Plus, some smart plugs come with energy monitoring features, giving you real-time feedback on how much energy your devices are using. Step 4. Smart power strips for multiple devices. If you have multiple devices plugged into one power strip, chances are they're all still drawing power even when you're not using them. A smart power strip can solve this issue by cutting off the power to unused devices when you don't need them. These strips are designed to turn off automatically once the devices are turned off, so you can say goodbye to phantom power usage. And if you have a home office or entertainment center with a lot of electronics, a smart power strip is a game changer. It'll make sure that power-hungry gadgets aren't sucking up electricity when you're not around to use them. Step 5. Invest in smart appliances. Now, let's talk about upgrading your major appliances. Smart appliances are designed to be more energy efficient, giving you the ability to monitor and control them remotely. Whether it's a smart refrigerator that adjusts its temperature to save energy or a smart washing machine that uses the optimal amount of water and electricity, these devices are built to reduce your overall energy consumption. For example, many smart fridges come with features that allow them to regulate their cooling cycles based on the contents inside. This means they don't have to run continuously to keep your food cold, saving energy in the process. Similarly, a smart washer can adjust the cycle length and water temperature depending on the load, preventing unnecessary energy waste. With these appliances, you'll not only save money on your electricity bill but also extend the lifespan of your devices due to their optimized energy use. Step 6. Utilize smart irrigation systems. If you have a garden or lawn, a smart irrigation system can make a huge difference in how much water and electricity you're using. Traditional irrigation systems often waste water by running when it's not needed, especially during rainy periods. Smart irrigation systems use weather data and moisture sensors to determine exactly when and how much water your plants need. This means you're not overwatering your lawn or garden, which not only saves water but also reduces the energy required to pump the water through your system. Some smart irrigation controllers can be adjusted remotely via an app, so you can ensure it's only running when necessary, and make adjustments if there's an unexpected change in the weather. Step 7. Smart water heaters. Water heaters are another significant source of energy consumption, especially when they're constantly heating water to maintain a certain temperature. However, with a smart water heater, you can program it to heat water only when you need it, cutting down on wasted energy. These heaters often come with energy-saving modes and remote control options, so you can adjust the temperature before you even step into the shower or when you're out of town. Some models even have built-in sensors to detect when the water temperature drops and automatically heat it back up to the desired level, ensuring that no energy is wasted in maintaining an idle temperature. Step 8. Monitor your energy usage with smart meters. The final step in your quest to reduce your electricity bill is to track your energy usage in real time. Smart meters can give you detailed insights into how much energy your home is using at any given moment. This allows you to see which devices are consuming the most power, helping you identify areas where you can cut back. Some energy providers offer smart meter integration with apps, so you can receive alerts when you're approaching high energy usage levels or when you can make adjustments to your habits. By monitoring your energy consumption, you'll be empowered to make more informed decisions and take action before your electricity bill becomes overwhelming. By now, you should have a clear idea of how to use smart devices to reduce your electricity bill and make your home more energy efficient. These smart upgrades aren't just for the tech-savvy, they're practical solutions that anyone can take advantage of to cut costs and help the environment. But here's the thing, you don't have to do it all at once. Start with a smart thermostat or some energy-efficient bulbs, and as you see the savings, you can add more devices to further optimize your energy usage. Choosing the best smart devices for your home. When it comes to selecting the best smart devices to reduce your electricity bill, the options can feel overwhelming. There are so many brands, models, and features to consider, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's take a look at some of the top-rated smart devices that will make a noticeable difference in your home. 1. Best smart thermostats. There are a few key players in the smart thermostat market that stand out for their features and user-friendly interfaces. The Nest Learning Thermostat and ecobee Smart Thermostat are among the most popular. Both allow you to control your home's temperature remotely via an app, and they learn your habits over time to optimize your heating and cooling cycles. The ecobee also comes with room sensors, so it adjusts the temperature based on actual occupancy in different areas of your home. This is perfect for large homes or multi-level spaces. 2. Best smart bulbs. When it comes to smart lighting, Philips Hue is a leader in the market. Their bulbs offer full control over brightness, color, and even syncing with music or movies to create a dynamic atmosphere. For those on a budget, LIFX smart bulbs are a great option, offering similar features without the need for a hub. 3. Best smart plugs and power strips. For managing smaller devices, smart plugs are a great first step in reducing energy consumption. The TP-Link Casa smart plug is affordable and easy to set up, giving you remote control over your appliances via an app. For larger setups, Belkin's Wemo Insight smart plug offers energy monitoring, allowing you to see exactly how much power your devices are using. 4. Best smart appliances. If you're in the market for upgrading your home appliances, several brands offer energy-efficient, smart models. Samsung and LG both have refrigerators, washing machines, and dishwashers that feature energy-saving capabilities and connectivity, allowing you to control and monitor them remotely. Look for appliances with ENERGY STAR ratings for the best savings. 5. Best smart water heaters. For those looking to upgrade their water heating system, the Rheem EcoNet Smart Water Heater allows you to control and monitor your water heater via an app. You can adjust the temperature, set schedules, and even get alerts if there's a problem, ensuring your water heater is always working efficiently. Setting up your devices. Now that you know which devices to look out for, setting them up is the next step. While it may seem intimidating, most smart devices are designed to be user-friendly. Let me walk you through the general process for setting up your smart thermostat. 1. Installation. Some smart devices, like smart thermostats, may require basic wiring. It's always a good idea to hire a professional if you're unsure about installation. However, many devices are designed for DIY installation with step-by-step instructions. 2. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Most smart devices rely on your home Wi-Fi network for connectivity. Ensure that your Wi-Fi is strong and stable, as smart devices won't work well with slow or unreliable connections. 3. App setup. Once your device is installed and connected, download the corresponding app for your device. This will allow you to control and customize your device. For thermostats, you'll be able to set schedules. For lights, you'll be able to adjust brightness or set timers. 4. Energy monitoring. For energy-hungry appliances, use the energy monitoring features in your app. Track how much energy you're saving each month and make adjustments as needed. Many apps will also offer suggestions on how to further reduce consumption. Tips for maximizing savings. Even with smart devices, there are a few extra tips you can follow to maximize your energy savings. Use automation. Most smart devices allow you to create schedules or routines. For example, set your thermostat to lower the temperature when you're out or schedule lights to turn off at certain times. Use voice control. If you have a voice assistant like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, integrate your smart devices to control them hands-free. You'll be able to turn off lights or adjust the temperature just by asking. Regularly check settings. Sometimes devices can slip out of their energy-efficient settings. Make sure to regularly check your smart thermostats, lighting systems, and other devices to ensure they're running optimally. By using these smart devices and following a few simple steps, you can significantly reduce your electricity bill without sacrificing comfort. Plus, not only will you save money, but you'll also be doing your part to help the environment by reducing your overall energy consumption. Now that we've covered the basics, it's time to take action. Start small by integrating just a few of these smart devices into your home. Before you know it, you'll start seeing lower bills and a more efficient home. So, make sure to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to Build and Ride Insights for more tips on home improvement, technology, and everything you need to create a smarter, more efficient home. Final thoughts on reducing your electricity bill with smart devices. We've covered a lot of ground today, from upgrading your thermostat and lighting to investing in smart appliances and power strips. Each of these smart devices plays a crucial role in optimizing your home's energy usage, helping you cut down on your electricity bill without compromising your comfort. As you start integrating smart devices into your home, remember that it's all about making small, intentional changes. You don't have to overhaul your entire home in one go. Begin with 1 or 2 key devices that align with your needs, and gradually expand from there. Over time, you'll notice significant savings, and the best part is that many of these devices will practically pay for themselves by reducing your monthly energy costs. But reducing your energy bill isn't just about saving money, it's about making your home smarter and more efficient for the long haul. With more control over how and when your devices use energy, you're not only cutting costs, but also contributing to a greener, more sustainable future. Remember, the future of home energy efficiency is smart, and the more you integrate these technologies, the more you'll be able to take full advantage of their potential. Whether you're looking to save money, increase convenience, or both, smart devices offer a practical and forward-thinking solution. So, if you're serious about reducing your electricity bill and making your home smarter, now's the time to start. Choose the devices that best suit your lifestyle, and watch as your electricity bill starts to shrink month after month. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Build and Ride Insights. We'll continue to explore more ways to improve your home with technology. Stay tuned for more in-depth guides and smart home tips coming your way. Remember to check out our other videos on home improvement and smart technology.